That's how a professional does it.
That's right.
Well, we're going out to an undisclosed location at Bass Pro to replace a panel, drive some T-posts, set some feet up, kind of reinforce the temp fence that we have up there since it's been up there for a while.
And we're off.
Burrito candle. No, that would be disgusting.
Okay, so we're back. I don't know what week it was, but several weeks ago we were right here fixing the same thing. I'll play a clip of that now. It's really falling down this time. The wind is not kind to this area. So we're gonna drive some posts this time. That way, hopefully this doesn't happen anymore. They're really utilizing this space to its full potential.
Got it up.
I just need to T-post it in. That way it doesn't fall over anymore. Maybe attach the windscreen better in a few spots. Man, you can tell when it went past the concrete.
Yeah.
That flew.
It's hard getting past it when it's frozen.
Yeah. Having fun, Eric?
Oh yeah. Nothing's too hard for the fence boys.
Nice. So we have 3 more posts. One's gonna go there, one's gonna go here, one's gonna go there. And then we have a couple more we're gonna put on the outside to secure it even more.
Actually, Rachel McAdams is the blonde one.
Well, there's 2 blonde ones. Amanda Seyfried is the other one.
Oh, yeah,
like
yeah,
the
yeah.
really stupid blonde one.
Another job done. We're gonna put a few more on the outside, but other than that, finished up. Got everything sandbagged up that we can. All the posts in place.